So Buzz Me Now app. So it's like that's people how call it. This is the app you're looking for. So it's with one the so Buzz, just communication made easy. So this is like a walkie-talkie app, and it's kind of nice alternative to 1010 app. If you like this walkie-talkie audio-based messaging apps, this is one of the top ones. There is also 1010. There is also Zillow, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, this is the app you might like. And so yeah, let's just open it up, and here you have it. You just can send messages. Hey there, how are you? And then you will receive this message here, just like a voice message. Just hey there, how are you? So something like that. You can also clear chat history. Then you can see all of the details. Then you can create groups. You can add friends. Settings. You can manage or delete your account, edit your profile. You can just easily sign up with your phone number, and yeah, that's how this app is working. It's not exactly the same as 1010 app. This app, I don't know, is it's kind of the same feature that you just walkie talking to your friends. So yeah, if you just like just talk to your friends on a speaker mode, then it's definitely a nice stable app. I think it has a bit of less bugs than 1010 app, so you can consider this. You can also chat with AI characters. This is like a new feature. It's pretty cool. And then you can just add AI. So pretty interesting new feature. So there you have it, and something like that. So try it out.